Hey there, I'm Megan Newhouse, and I'm an education manager at Logitech. I have over 6 years of experience in the EdTech space and 4 years of experience as an educator in public schools. Today, we are going to be talking about how to level up EdTech and elevate learning. Helping educators deliver engaging lessons that bring learning to life is easy with the right tools. First, let's talk about creating dynamic, compelling video content that really keeps students' attention. Research found that when students can see body language cues and make eye contact, they are more engaged, gain a deeper understanding, and even score higher on tests. This is why it's crucial to use a high-quality webcam. I'm using the Logitech Brio 505, a plug-and-play webcam that anyone can set up and use with ease. It's dual purpose, meaning it can be used for live instruction or to record content for later. The webcam automatically adjusts to any lighting, so who's ever on camera looks natural, even in poor lighting conditions. I've heard from teachers that they love using show mode by tilting down the camera to be able to show notes, sketches, or other physical objects on their desks. And the Brio 505 is compatible with all the major video conferencing platforms like Microsoft Teams, Google Meet, and Zoom. Now let's move on to headsets. As you can see, I'm wearing my Logitech Zone Vibe wireless headset. You can definitely hear the difference, and so can your students. My Logitech Zone Vibe wireless headset is super lightweight, it's comfortable, and it uses a USB receiver, which allows for better wireless connection to other devices, like phones and tablets. In other words, educators don't have to choose between a headset, mouse, or other devices. Now they can use them all simultaneously. And the noise-canceling mic with beamforming technology suppresses background sound so speakers can be heard clearly. It also has a flip-to-mute mic that lets the user mute fast. So if a dog is barking or you have to sneeze, nobody can hear. Everything I've talked about so far works at your desk. Here's how you can level up and engage the whole classroom. If you prefer not to use a headset, you can use a top-notch mic like the Logitech Blue Yeti, which makes it easy to record lessons individually or with a group. It's lightweight, just needs to be plugged in to begin recording. It enables educators to capture audio that would normally require multiple microphones. And it provides the unparalleled quality necessary for educators recording foreign language lessons or even podcasts. Now, let's talk about tools that ensure every student can actively engage in learning. The Logitech Scribe is an AI-powered whiteboard camera to give all students the best seat in the classroom. The Logitech Scribe automatically enhances the color and contrast of dry erase markers and makes text and sketches easier to read. It has a transparency effect that enables students to see through obstructions, like a finger or a hand, to ensure they get a clear view of the board. Also, the Logitech Scribe uses AI technology to capture sticky notes. Another great tool for learning in real time is the Logitech Rally Bar. It has a dual camera system that captures everyone in a classroom and highlights the active speaker with remarkable clarity. And it makes it easy for teachers to welcome remote students or speakers to the conversation and customize a view. This is a tool that educators can use to connect the outside world to learning. For example, in STEM subjects, educators could bring in an aerospace engineer to class to demonstrate real-life robotics. The Logitech Rally Bar delivers powerful, room-filling sound and uses AI technology to reduce unwanted noises, like fans or keyboard clicks. Its advanced speech detector algorithm auto boosts the volume of even the quietest of talkers so every voice can be heard. And it also seamlessly connects to all of the major video conferencing platforms. Creating content that keeps students engaged, no matter the learning environment, is what's most important. With the right tools designed for learning and built for schools, we can.